So let's do one final example. And this one is a bit challenging since this one we need to find the first term of the series. So we're given the common ratio and we're given the sum of the first four terms. So we'll start by again just writing down our formula that the sum of the first n numbers is our first term multiplied by 1 minus the common ratio to the nth power over 1 minus r. And for us, we know what the sum is. We're talking about four terms. We're told that is 170. Of course, we know our n value is 4. We're adding up four terms. And our common ratio is 1/4. So we just need to figure out what a is here. So we can plug everything in and then get an equation which we can solve for a. So we have that 170, that's the sum of the first four terms. It's equal to a multiplied by 1 minus our common ratio, 1/4, raised to the fourth power, all divided by 1 minus 1/4. And simplifying over here, we'd have 170 is a times 1 minus 1/4 to the fourth. Well, 4 to the fourth is 256. So this would be 1 over 256. And 1 minus a fourth is just 3/4. So to simplify this, we can multiply both sides of the equation by 3/4, cancel out that denominator. And 170 times 3/4, we can just write that out. So we have 170 times 3/4 is a times 1 minus 1 over 256. Well, 1 is just 256 over 256. We're subtracting 1 in the numerator. So you get 255 over 256. And we'll just simplify a little bit further. So let's multiply each side by 256 and divide by 255. So you have 3/4 multiplied by 170 times 256 over 255. And this all equals a. And if you plug all of this into your calculator, what you're going to get is 128. So this is your first term. And the way to check this is to just write it out and add up the first four terms. So it'd be 128 plus, well, we multiplied by 1/4 to find the next term. And 128 over 4 would be 32. We divide by 4 again, or multiply by a fourth. And 32 over 4 would be 8. And the last term would be 8 over 4, which is 2. Now adding these together, you can see this is 10 plus 32 is 42. And we add 2 to this, we get 130. 130 plus 40, that is 170. So that made sense, which allows us to feel confident that this is indeed the first term here. So our final answer would be 128.